The province of Isabela is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cagayan Valley region or Region 2. It is composed of 3 cities, 34 municipalities, and 1,055 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the city of Ilagan. The province of Isabela is bordered clockwise from the north by Cagayan, the Philippine Sea, Aurora, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Ifugao, Mountain Province, and Kalinga. The 34 municipalities and 3 cities with their number of barangays are the following. The municipality of Alicia with 34 barangays, the municipality of Angadanan with 59 barangays, the municipality of Aurora comprising 33 barangays, the municipality of Bonito Sullivan with 29 barangays, the municipality of Burgos with 14 barangays, the municipality of Cabagan with 26 barangays, the municipality of Cabanatuan with 22 barangays, the city of Cagayan with 65 barangays, the municipality of Cordon comprising 26 barangays, the municipality of Delfin Albano comprising 29 barangays, the municipality of Dinapigi with 6 barangays, the municipality of Divilacan with 12 barangays, the municipality of 𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗦𝗦 comprising 64 barangays, the municipality of Gamo with 16 barangays, the city of Ilagan which serves as the provincial capital with 91 barangays, the municipality of Jones with 42 barangays, the municipality of Luna with 19 barangays, the municipality of Maconacon with 10 barangays, the municipality of Malieg with 18 barangays, the municipality of Nagilian with 25 barangays, the municipality of Palanan with 17 barangays, the municipality of Quezon with 15 barangays, the municipality of Quirino with 21 barangays, the municipality of Ramon with 19 barangays, the municipality of Reyna Mercedes with 20 barangays, the municipality of Rojas with 26 barangays, the municipality of San Agustin with 23 barangays, the municipality of San Guillermo with 26 barangays, the municipality of San Isidro with 13 barangays, the municipality of San Manuel with 19 barangays, the municipality of San Mariano with 36 barangays, the municipality of San Mateo with 33 barangays, the municipality of San Pablo with 17 barangays, the municipality of Santa Maria with 20 barangays, the city of Santiago with 37 barangays, the municipality of Santo Tomas with 27 barangays, and the municipality of Tamawini with 46 barangays. So again, for the province of Isabela, there are 34 municipalities, 3 cities, and 1,055 barangays. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.